There is a lot of places that are so beautiful you can't even imagine. So in today's video we will take a journey to 5 most amazing natural wonders in Europe. Number 1. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. World famous for its 16 lakes arranged in cascades, National Park Plitvice is the largest and one of the oldest parks in Croatia. Plitvice was first mentioned in 1777 in a document written by the priest of Otočac Dominik Vukasović. Lakes were declared as National Park in 1948 on 8th of April. The protected area, which was added to the UNESCO World Heritage Register in 1979, is extending over 296.85 square kilometers of land. Separated by natural dams of Travin, these 16 lakes are grouped into 12 Gornjih jezera or 12 upper lakes and 4 Donja jezera or 4 lower lakes. Altitude drop from the first to the last lake is 133 meters. Two of the largest lakes, which are covering around 80% of all water body area, are lakes Proščansko and Kozjak. Lake Proščansko is covering 69 hectares and goes 37 meters in depth, and Lake Kozjak is bigger for 12.5 hectares and deeper for 10 meters. In Lake Kozjak there are also using eco-friendly electric boats. Park is heavily forested and there is 1267 different types of plants identified so far, and it's home to 157 species of animals and birds. There is also a large waterfall which is connecting Plitvice River and Plitvice Lakes. Each year there is more than 1 million visitors and the entrance is around 250 kuna or 34 euros. Number 2. Ireland Cliffs of Moher. Majestically facing the Atlantic for over 350 million years, Cliffs of Moher are simply a must-visit. In 2007, the eco-friendly visitor center was built into the hillside, so it minimizes the visual impact on this beautiful scenic location. They are stretching 8 kilometers over the Atlantic Ocean and the highest point is 240 meters above the sea level. Around 313 and 326 million years ago, during the time of their formation, a river dumped sand, salt and clay into an ancient marine basin. The sediments collecting in this ancient delta were compacted and lithified in now exposed cliffs. Now the cliffs are subject to erosion and are collapsing under its own weight because of wave action. At the base of the cliff, a 300 million old river channels are still forming unconformities. There is over 20 species of seabirds and also rare flora like cat's eat and sea pink. It is also a chance to see grey seals, minke whales, basking sharks, dolphins and occasionally sunfishes. A special region with outstanding geology, the Cliffs of Moher are a part of the UNESCO Global Geopark from 2011. In 2007, the Association of Heritage Interpretation awarded the Cliffs of Moher Visitor Experience with the Interpret Britain and Ireland Awards. Number 3. Greece Santorini. Besides from white houses with blue rooftops, Santorini is a beautiful remnant of volcanic caldera. It is the most southern Greek island. Some of the largest volcanic eruptions had happened on this island in the past, and now it is a beautiful landscape full of lava layers and crumbly cliffs. The name of the island has changed many times throughout the history, but in the end only the name chosen by the Crusaders after the beautiful chapel of St. Irene remains. For both locals and tourists, Santorini is flooded with the most beautiful wonders. From the most beautiful village of Oia to the capital Fyrom, which can be reached by almost 600 steps. From capital to the village of Imerovigli, which offers the most beautiful views of the entire island. In Imerovigli stands the oldest castle, which is 600 years old and worth a visit. The tourist trail can take you through various ancient churches, the village Mesagonia, which is also known as Ghost Village, all to the beautiful sandy beaches. Number 4. Scotland, Isle of Skye. Second largest island in Scotland after Lewis and Harris is Island Skye. Its area measures 1.656 square kilometers and it is the most northern island of Scotland. Name of the island first appeared in Roman sources such as the Ravenna cosmography, but for the name there is no definitive solution. Some suggest the name of the island may come from an earlier non-Gaelic language. Isle of Skye also has a rich history such as dinosaur fossils, clan warfare and famous Jacobite rebellion. You should visit both castles of Clan MacDonald and Clan MacLeod. This island, because of its dramatic landscape scenery, is truly a fairy tale on the earth. It is also one of top destinations for climbers and hikers. There is 12 peaks in the Cuillin Range and they are all 914 meters above the sea level. The Trotternish Ridge and the Cuillin Range offer some really interesting scrambles and challenging climbs. Anyways, if you go there, you should definitely reach Whole Island because there is not a thing to be missed on it. Number 5. Germany Black Forest. As horrible as it may sound, Black Forest is a forested mountain range in German state of Baden-Württemberg. Area is around 160 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide and it is truly a lovely expanse of lakes, hills and forest. There is also going a highway B500 through the Black Forest. It is a road with altitude and amazing views. From the spa town of Baden-Baden, there is a trail to the highest point in Black Forest, Peak Feldberg. There are a lot of small beautiful villages situated in deeply carved valleys. Lake Schlagsee and the one that makes English-speaking travelers giggle, Lake Titisee, offers opportunities for water sports like windsurfing and diving in blue-green waters. If you are not for the water sports, you can go hiking, cycling, or you can visit waterfall Tiberg, which is the highest waterfall in Germany. And while you will be going through the villages, do not forget to taste very good German beer. And that was all for today's video of top 5 natural wonders. Have you visited any of the listed natural wonders? If you have, tell us down in the comments which one it was. Hope you enjoyed and we see you in the next one.